Apple. About to get my MacBook.
Here, get it. She's so
Hey guys, it's Howell. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting thing to show you guys. By the title of this video, you already know what it is. I went to the Apple store in Lenox. I wanted to go there because I wanted the experience of going to get something new, you know. I just always having it shipped. I wanted the experience of going there, buying it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, they have this little thing right here and you just pull. Yeah. Well, you can't really see that part. MacBook Air. And then you just like pull it, the whole thing. Oh my god. I've always wanted one because it's just so cool. I have my name on it. How Akita, so you know it's real. Period. Okay. So this is the MacBook Air, the gold version. It was actually pretty weird because when I looked it up online, it said gold. They didn't have a rose gold, and this was the only one that they had. But when I went in the store, I looked at it and I was like, this looks rose gold, you know? So I ended up getting it because I was gonna get space gray because I don't like gold. I like rose gold. But this is actually, I think it's better than rose gold because rose gold is kind of really pink, like really pink. So I also have the iPhone 8 and it's supposed to be just a gold, but it's just a mixture of rose gold and gold. So it's a very light color and I like that. This is the 256 gigabyte one. So let's just
China bitch.
pop it out. Designed by Apple in California, you know. And then you have the charger, which I'm just gonna take out because I will be taking it to school tomorrow. This is the C cable, I think it's called. And the cord is actually a good length. I think it's a USB-C or something, I don't know. So this is actually a pretty good length. Yeah, I could like, and this could definitely stretch over to my bed. I like it. MacBook Air. The stickers are rose gold. I don't know where you would use these stickers. Let me know if any of y'all ever use y'all stickers. Welcome to your new MacBook Air. It automatically starts up when you lift the lid. Assistant setup helps you get up and running. Touch ID. This one is the one with the Touch ID, so it's really exciting. And Force Touch trackpad. So this just explains the exterior version. And then you have your stickers. So here it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off. Take this off right here. Take it wrap around, and then I just throw it away. By the way, it's pretty light. I have a HP laptop. That thing is so huge. Like, put it in my book bag. That's why I had to get a smaller computer. Oh. Okay. Oh, y'all see a lot. It says MacBook Air. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Your girl is a proud Apple user. So they're setting up my computer account. So right now they're asking me to set up Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Touch ID, y'all. Touch ID. Okay. Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger or thumb on the Touch ID, which is right there. Okay, guys, so now it's asking me to choose my look. I don't know if I want light or dark. I think I'm gonna do light because my phone is dark. So I'm kind of getting into dark. My Twitter is dark. My Instagram is dark. So I'm trying to get into dark. But I don't know right now. I need to get used to my laptop, okay? Now it says setting up your Mac. It's set up. Oh my God. Oh my God, the team texted me and it came on here. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you guys liked it. And if this kind of inspired you to get a MacBook as well, I hope it really did because I already know that I'm gonna have fun with this. Stay tuned for my next video.